like to introduce you to the Audi Nuvolari, proudly revealed by our two Formula One drivers, Nico Hülkenberg and Gabriel Bortoletto. Yeah, so nice here tonight. Please.
Devi venire da me, devi venire da me. A Monte Carlo stai parlando del posto 200 all'ora.
Yeah, the Nuvolari is a strong signal in challenging times. It shows what Audi is capable of. It's the most powerful and the fastest car, series production car Audi has ever built. Yeah, of course, this car is a technological lighthouse. It's Vorsprung durch Technik at its most visceral, and it's showing what Audi is capable of. And it's a proof that we deliver in design, in technology, and in elevating the brand back to where it belongs. Yeah, of course, the whole car and its design is fascinating. What's even more fascinating to me is the story behind the team and how it interacted, the speed in that the car was built. And speedboats like this are so important for the company and for the renewal of Audi.